Hello, middle school science world. I'm back with another dissection video here at Los Tulies Middle School. Today we have a very special Halloween themed dissection going on, and I'll share that with you right now. So you can see my students are actually engaged with their pumpkin dissection, removing the guts, identifying the seeds. Look at these guys. Top notch. Here's two gentlemen took the challenge of doing the smaller pumpkin. Nice, nice. And here I've got the A team over here working on Colossus, our largest pumpkin.
Hey, this is Paulo's. Eduardo Paulo. Do your thing. Don't even want to.
Going kind of old school traditional. Looks like we're going to go with the template overlay. Dracula themed. Alright, I like it. I like it. See what these guys are doing over here. What do we got?
Taking out the guts.
We got gut removal.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe a Dracula overlay. Okay, good. Going the boogity boogity. Okay. Oogie boogie. All right.
Nightmare Before Christmas. This guy was
Christmas.
Okay, he has a lot of extra remains.
A lot in there?
Yeah.
There's nothing in there. He's just digging out whatever
Just taking out whatever
yellow
fun.
stuff is.
Okay, that's cool. All right, do your best keeping it on the paper, guys.
Does this stain?
Does it sting?
Does it stain?
Stain? No.
Okay.
Yeah, he threw a bunch on me.
Hey, don't be throwing. No throwing, guys. No throwing.
No.
Again, if you want aprons, I have aprons. What do we got here? Two. I like the traditional. All right, good. Man, look at that. Nice and organized on our seeds. Good. Looks like we're going for the seed collection. Maybe do a little roasted and toasted. All right, nice job, guys. Nice job.
Lift and put on the tree.
All right, that's Los Tulies Middle School Pumpkin Dissection 2023. All right, have a happy Halloween.